Hello guys and welcome to the BK Arts Drawing Masterclass channels. This is where you learn and master your drawing skills. Then here are some tips to follow while drawing using grids for your reference drawing. Make sure that everything you need to include in the picture fits inside the grid. Choose a grid size that is comfortable for the reference drawing. Always remember to maintain accuracy while choosing the grid size. If the grid is too big, you will lose the accuracy, and if it is too small, you will struggle to follow each block. For A6 size, which has specific measurements of 105 mm by 148 mm, it is recommended that you use 5 mm grid. For A5 size, which is 148 mm by 210 mm, it is recommended you use 10 mm grid. For larger sizes such as A4, A3 and the other large sizes, it is preferable you use 2 mm grid or 2 cm. So don't exceed 2 cm grid for those accuracy purposes. When you start drawing, it is important to keep your paper in place. To do this, use a masking tape to stick the paper onto your surface. The reason I prefer to use my device for drawing is because it is free and allows me to work with any paper size that I use. Make sure that the grids are perfectly squared and match the reference photo. If necessary, you can trim the image to fit the standard paper size. Another tip: sharpen your pencil. Sharpen your pencil well before drawing the grid lines. Do not apply too much pressure when drawing the lines, Sharpen your pencil well before drawing the grid lines. Do not apply too much pressure when drawing the lines in such a way that it does not destroy or indent the paper, and it is also easy to rub. I prefer using a HB or a B pencil to do this and the whole sketching process. Note: one thing that you have to keep in mind when drawing is to decide whether you want to create a portrait or a landscape image. This will help you utilize the space on your paper effectively and ensure that your drawing looks balanced. It is best to position your image in the center of the paper so that there is no too much blank space on either side, creating a fair amount of spacing. So you stay tuned. In the next video, I'm going to demonstrate to you a step-by-step process on how to draw using the grid method technique. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time.